The following is a sample video from the 2-hour Financial Management Instruction course brought to you by One After Filing. You can view the entire course at www.oneafterfiling.com. This course satisfies the post-bankruptcy filing educational requirement. You can call One After Filing at 1-866-39-CLASS. That's 1-866-392-5277.
Net monthly income is the revenue that is left after all of the monthly deductions have been subtracted, meaning monthly gross income minus taxes, insurance, Medicare, and other deductions. In calculating the net monthly income, make sure that all sources of income are included and that their net incomes are on a monthly basis. Here's an example of how to convert a paycheck that's for a 2-week period into a monthly basis. First, convert the 2-week paycheck into a weekly paycheck by dividing the net income by 2. Then multiply that figure by 52 weeks to get the annual net income. Then divide that annual net income by 12 to get the monthly net income. One of the most important aspects of personal finance is expenses. To truly understand where, how much, and for what these expenses are accruing, it's necessary to track down where the current expenditures are going. To calculate your expenditures, you can look at your past credit card statements and checkbook expenditures for the last 6 months. Another method to calculate your expenditures is by keeping track of what you spend every month for 6 months. For either approach, you need to list who the payment was made to in one column, the amount of money that was paid in the second column, and the category of the expenditure in the third column. At the end of the month, the total amount spent should be calculated in addition to the total spent in each category. After looking at the expense chart, analyze which sections are too big. These are the areas you need to work on. If the gift section is too big, that means that you need to decrease your spending on gifts. The fact that this expenditure may be gifts for others should not dissuade you in decreasing this expense. You should not be spending money on gifts when you do not have the money. There may be some peer pressure that will force you to spend. However, it's up to you to face these pressures and decrease your expenses. Also, it's necessary to realize that all of the expenses are optional. It's optional to have cable, to have a gym membership, and to go out to restaurants.
The preceding was a sample video from the 2-hour Financial Management Instruction course brought to you by One After Filing. You may view the entire course at www.oneafterfiling.com. This course satisfies the post-bankruptcy filing educational requirement. You can call One After Filing at 1-866-39-CLASS. That's 1-866-392-5277.